second of all, because I'm a stud. I'm ballsy. I don't take no shit from anyone. I smoke my stogie anywhere I want. I don't have to find a hideout place like you.
I'm back.
Is that Brutus? He's back. What we got going on here? He's back. 6 months from Brutus. Let's go, Brutus. Thank you, sir. How you been? You been doing a little move, you said? Didn't realize you were moving, bro. Moving fucking sucks. And Brutus is first. No way. Ooh, yeah. Time to crack a little Corona, I think. Corona Extra. Friday after all. Man, this week kind of sucked, if I'm being honest. But we made it, dude. We made it. We've been doing hella work on Zen Fisher. Okay, but there's a lot of work to be done, of course. I think the biggest thing at this exact moment is I need to get these tabs working. So let's do that real quick. Because it would be nice to actually be able to cycle through these things. I mean, I guess I only have player summary, inventory, collection, and objectives right now. So I only have 4 of the 6, but still. We gotta get that. Collection log is doing good. You guys can see that I got... if you click on this over here... Well, actually, okay. First of all, these are separated out by biome. It's not very obvious because the icons kind of suck right now. They're just placeholder, but you can go through desert, grassy, and tutorial island biomes right now. And then you can click on whichever fish in your collection log you want to check out. And then it populates things over here. And then, yeah, for example, here we got 1 caught. We have our best to wait, and we have the date caught. There is Mr. Colin JB, dude. I was wondering where he was. Oh yeah, let's bring up the old Visual Studio. Don't we just love staring at code like this? Yeah, we gotta go into UI game scene here. Somewhere. Oh god, I have an enum for menu type? Didn't realize I had. Oh yeah, I guess that makes sense. Let's go check out Mr. Colin JB's new video. Colin JB. Oh, let's see what dog shit notification I have. I constantly fall through the map. Also, I followed step by step, and it doesn't look nearly as good as his. The trees and grass are literally different. pretty sure. I thought I pinned this other constant, or this other, oh, I only pinned that one. There was another comment that somebody made. I meant to pin. Shit. Someone told me about these textures. The texture's like not actually loading. Oh, this is my favorite. This is my favorite comment so far. You probably have non-Western ancestors. Usually they introduce themselves, their story, goals, dreams, story, their colleague's story, thanking all names that ever existed one by one, thanking all supported that gave more than a dime one by one, their channel story, Unity story, asset story, other random people story, some random object story, the object's creator story, then the guide starts. The end. What is this comment, dude? You probably have non-Western ancestors. Like, what? I literally don't even know what that comment means. Fuck, dude. It was a recent one. It was a recent comment. Let's see. There's some pretty funny comments, dude. Ah, here it is. This is it. I need to pin this one. Ah, you can only pin one comment. Okay. We tried. We tried. Stop sweating this comment out, dude. I haven't sweated everything. Even if I play Valorant again, dude. Should we hop on some Valorant? You want to? Think we should play some Valorant, dude? Yo, I'm thinking that I need to have like a spin the wheel every hour. Spice it up, dude. Spice it up in the chat. No one dog shit, everything. Maybe I'll boot up some TFT, then I can really feel like dog shit. Okay, when... Ah! Dude, this project, man, it's getting way too big. Okay, this is UI Game Manager. We want to go into UI Game Scene. We want to pin this shit. This is an important one. Where does it make the player tab menu? Oh, it's this right here. Okay. Player tab change. Yeah. Yeah, okay. We just locked the tab right now. So we just need to check, or we need to switch the tabs now. Oh god, what is this? What is all this random ass shit? I don't know. I hate that as I progressively do more and more of a project, I just look back at the things I was doing earlier in the project and just realize how dumb they were. It makes me want to restart a whole project, but I can't do that. Okay, anyways, we just need to switch over different tabs. I don't know. Where do we create all of these things, man? Init collection. Okay, okay. Player. What? Oh god, dude, no, this is so, Dude. Alex sucks? I mean, your stats are like fucking 30 trillion times better than mine, so I can't really talk shit, yeah. I got a solid like 38% swipe on my last video, my last short, and you're what, up to like 80%? Fucking doubling me up, dude, that's crazy. But then again, I'm just hard limited at like fucking 3k views, so I've never gotten above that ever in my life. Player info tabs. Wait, I'm so confused. What did I do here? Tab. Oh, it's just okay. Okay. Let me just put tab index real quick. If we can just get a tab index, then that's fine. How am I still in push-up debt? Because I fucking suck. Okay, I'll do some right now. To be honest with you, dude, I haven't been streaming very much, man. I mean, it's not really an excuse because I've had at least 4 or 5 streams, but man, I have not been streaming much. Actually, I should do some before I drink the rest of this beer, dude. Otherwise, I'm gonna start throwing up. Also, my tire on my car just fucking popped tonight, so that's sick. I just love life, man. I don't even want to deal with that shit. What are they doing? Oh, yeah. Okay, well. I'm just hard-coding this shit. Don't care. Okay, actually, I'll do slightly better than hard coding in here. Public list, visual elements. Oh, fuck, man. Nope, not doing this. Hard coding it. Don't care. I've been in the business of just hard coding shit and not caring anymore because I don't get anything done if I'm efficient. Or if I'm like trying to write efficient code and all that. It doesn't matter anyways. We're just gonna go tab index equals 0 and we're gonna do this and blah blah blah. Actually, I guess we can do case. Switch tab index. Is that how you do this? Case 0. How do you do a switch statement, dude? We're breaking out ChatGPT. Here we go. Here we go.
And second of all, because I'm a stud. I'm ballsy. I don't take no shit from anyone. I smoke my stogie anywhere I want. I don't have to find a hideout place like you.
I literally streamed every night I went to sleep early. Really? I thought you were moving though, dude. You said you were moving, right? Yo, man, use that YouTube money to... Oh, yeah, all $18 I've made over the course of 2 weeks. Cool. I'm just racking in that money, dude. Oh my god. Hey, Smirky with the prime 7 months. Yo, Smirky, you beat out Brutus with 7 months. It says eat, dude. I called you. Why didn't you pick up? Okay. We'll just say what? It's the player summary menu is the first one. Wait, where is the player summary menu? Ah. Inventory. Okay, we can do this one. Wait, menu inventory is a visual element? What did I do? What did I do, you guys? I made this so fucking badly. Where did I? Oh, that's right. I made the inventory over here. Dude. Where's the inventory? No, it's not there. Oh yeah. I made an inventory manager. That's right. Inventory. There it is. That's public, right? Okay, there it is. Yeah, it's public. Okay. Yep. Well, then we have to do this. This is terrible. Inventory manager dot instance dot inventory dot root style display flex. Break. Hey, Skydev's here. What do you like better, Skydev or SkyZack? I'm on PlayStation with the boys? What the fuck? What are you playing on PlayStation? Dude, you should be on, Skyblock, grinding out that farming level, dude. Smirky, what's your Skyblock farming level? Oh my god, barf sweats? Oh no. I'm just gonna guess. My phone dropped below me. It dropped out of my pocket. Yeah. Miss some calls, miss some texts. What do I do about this fucking flat tire, dude? Oh, you're back with Blender? Yeah, I was hoping... I mean, it's all up to you, man, but... Like I told you, third-person shit. Kind of Roblox-y character type, but maybe not quite as square. But like kind of low poly like that, you know? Okay, case 2. Oh yeah, this is character. We're not gonna do anything yet here. Case 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. We're at collection log. Okay. Now we can actually do collection. Any collection. Any collection or root. That's actually probably the same thing as this, but I'd rather use this one. Okay, we got objectives. Menu missions. Wait, how did my IDE know that I wanted to do deep vault there next? That's crazy. How the fuck did it know that? That's actually scaring me. Look at my character. Wait, which one? So then I think that I'm just gonna do, at the beginning of this, I just set all of them to. Alright, dude. Let's try it out. On YouTube, on your channel. Alright, let's try this out. I'll look at your channel one sec. Alright, moment of truth. Oh my god, it works! Oh, come on. Oh, except inventory doesn't work. Oh, that's not good. I was gonna say, dude, I never expect anything to work. Look at Discord? Okay. That. Yeah, actually, I mean, it's honestly pretty good. Yeah, what do you guys think fits Zen Fisher vibes in terms of like characters? Yeah, I mean, this is pretty close. I was gonna say, let me try to find something real quick for some inspiration. I think like Albion is kind of the style I'm going for. Albion Online, you know? Trying to find like a good example. Like this kind of. Hey, Bat Demon, what's up? My man popped in for about 30 seconds, said, hey, gotta go, bye. Bat Demon, dude, come back. Where are you, man? Yeah, if that, like, Albion on, like kind of low poly-ish. But not, like, crazy low poly. But yeah, I think I like this style overall. It's pretty nice. Bro, I'm back. I just got up to get water. Alright. You're back, dude. Bad Demon Man, how's it going? How's your night? Or how's your morning, I suppose? Or is it nighttime? I forget, dude. As long as you make it? Wait, what do you mean? Yeah, I don't know. I mean, this is like a little more detailed probably than I would be able to do. But kind of this low poly style is what I'm going for overall. So maybe that helps you out a little bit. Okay. So the only thing is we need to figure out why is inventory not showing? So inventory. Ugh, yeah, that's weird. Inventory has a root, right? Wait, this is a little weird. I don't think I want to do that. Because it's already there. It already exists. You love the live stream? Soon 5K? Hey, we're about halfway there. Halfway there. I'm glad you like the live streams. Yo, I was actually thinking of spicing up the live streams a little bit with a spin the wheel every hour. What kind of ideas you guys got for a spin the wheel? It could be anything, but every hour we spin in the wheel and I do something. But we need about 10 different categories that we could get. Yeah, I mean, menu inventory. So if I have this, then yeah, okay, that works. That's good. But then if we go to collect, oh yeah, okay, okay. Menu inventory. I set this up so badly, dude. This is so weird. AFK watching a video, poke me on Discord if you need me anything. At some point I will. I want your opinions on some UI I made, which I don't like very much. Make a mobile car game in 1 hour? I actually am really bad at mobile games. That's something I need to get better at. Oh, wait. Oh. Oh. We should probably make a public element groups. Oh, there is. Okay. I see. Let's see. Bro, what happened? Are you kind of sad or something? Ooh, no? What makes you say that? Colin JB is sad. His videos just won't pop. I like how I'm on stream and I can't stare at code for like 1 minute without getting called out for being like sad. Like can a man just look at his code real quick? This is very annoying. How do we do this, dude? I set it up so badly, man. I set it up so bad. All this shit. Okay, I think it's just called menu inventory, and it's inside of here. So instead of doing this, we instead just do menu inventory. Dot style dot display. Let's see if that works. That actually might just work, and that looks a lot better, but yeah, the way I'm creating the root of the other inventory is really sus. Can we join a call because I'm playing a game and it's hard to talk to you when I'm playing? No, I don't. Sorry, I don't join calls during my stream. Unless I'm playing a game. But I'm doing Gamedev. So, I'm sorry, Skydev. Okay, moment of truth. Wait, you're upgrading to Windows 11, Bad Demon? Make a skill system, like when you catch a fish, you get a skill point, and then you can unlock skills. Like fast fish catching, rare fish catching. Yes, I understand fully. Actually, I fully intend to do that. And in fact, we could even do some of that tonight, because I've been adding in that kind of like persistent data to do that. So, okay, here we go. Yes, okay, it works. So that's all I had to do. It was a little weird the way I set that up, but it works. If I ask you something and I'm late to reply, that's why. Okay, all good, don't worry. Okay, let's just fucking play the game for a little bit. Make sure everything's like working. Like if we go out of this menu and then back, it's still there. It is. Okay. Good. We can go through our missions. We can go to our collection log. Nice. Everything's working. So we can see like when we first caught this fish. Let's go catch some fish. Okay, we just caught a grouper. Okay, so this shows up now. It's a grouper. We've caught it. So we caught one at 10:13 p.m. on 10/6/2023. The best weight that we caught was 5.73. So this shit's working actually pretty good. And you can see our collection progress updated actually too. So we have 4 out of 8 total fish. And then this biome shows 2 out of 2 obtained for that biome, 1 out of 2. So everything's working actually pretty good. Okay, we just caught a bass. Here's our bass. I wanted to try to catch a second fish, so of a type. Okay, we caught a swordfish. Yeah, so now we've caught 3 total swordfish, actually. And you can see that, yes, this did not update. So earlier I was messing around with this and I caught a fish at 648. This did not update when I got the most recent one. So that's what we want. We want the first one caught there. So that's all actually working pretty good. Can I playtest your game at some time? And playtesting for 2 other games as well? Oh yeah, definitely. You can add more fishing rods like rare, epic. Yeah, oh yeah, we're definitely gonna do that. No, I understand what you're saying. You don't gotta explain anymore. We're gonna have many different types of fishing rods that fish faster and all that stuff, you know. But then like you can only like wield the fishing rod if you have a certain fishing level, you know. Oh wait, we forgot a menu. Summary. Player summary. Where is that guy? Clear collection? Yeah, okay, we don't need this. This game could actually be like in a very basic play state in a short amount of time, like talking about like a week or 2. But I mean, it's gonna take me months to like perfect it, you know. But it'd be fun to get into a playable state fairly soon. But what you guys don't understand, like, or maybe you do understand, but it seems like I'm just doing UI right now. But I'm actually not just doing UI. I'm building the whole back end of the game. So like it seems like it's just taking me absolutely forever to do all the UI. But in reality, I'm building the whole back end of the game so that we can just expand and scale the project really easily once we get past this. The only main thing I need to do right now before we start building out the world is I need to make the hotbar for like swapping through equipped items, like our hand slot. So if you look in like in the hands here. So I need to be able to scroll through these slots. I don't know how we're gonna do that, but that's gonna be a bit of an effort. Probably take me a day or 2, but after that, like really, we can build out the world. It's gonna be really fun. Let's make this player summary work though. I need to track down where that is. Kind of forgot. Menu P summary. Ugh, where are you, dude? Where are you? Menu P summary. Kind of confused. Do I not have that somewhere? UI games. Yeah. Probably not. So I'm stupid. UI menu button, UI game scene. Yeah, okay, so I actually just didn't really do anything with this other menu. I essentially just, if you guys look at it... Oh, fuck! Okay, I guess I lost a bunch of these textures. It was so long ago that I did this. What the fuck just happened? I'm just looking at a menu from a long time ago. You messed up? I mean, yeah, dude, I don't know. I don't know where these guys went, but we're just gonna have to get them back real quick. Okay. So what? Yeah, this is just gonna be the, some container. Just like that, probably. Quest menu container BG. Info container. Sure, we can do that. Yeah, that's a little... I don't understand why that one's not working. Add some new biomes where you find epic and very rare fish. My plan is to have every biome will have very epic and rare fish. Like there's gonna be some really hard ones in every biome. What if you make a GTA 5 in Unity? How much is it gonna take? It's impossible. I just won't. It would take me 200 years. Oh, is this one right here? Okay. What the fuck, 200 years? Yeah, that's how long it would take. You don't believe me? $200 Unreal Engine 69 launches and then I have to relearn everything, yeah. Sounds about right. Okay, well, let's do this. So I'm gonna try to follow the style of my other menus. Unfortunately, I don't think I can follow the style with the inventory, but I'm gonna try to create a template here. Put it in UI Toolkit, UXML, and then put it in the player summary menu. Menu P summary or player? Don't know why I called it menu P summary. Okay. What's your age now, dude? Guess. I'm about 200 years old, actually. Okay. We have our menu player summary. Leon, what's up, dude? First time chatter? What's going on? What's going on? One question, is it morning or nighttime for you? "24 years? No way, he gets 24 years old. Yeah, I'm 24. Imagine. Alright, we got this now. Let's say public visual element root. Oh, why does it do this? Dude, I remember I've been making these lately. It like doesn't the IDE just doesn't click. I don't know why. Yep, yeah, you guessed right, dude. No way. Can't believe it. This is so frustrating. Don't get angry, but I hate your keyboard sound whenever you write something. Dude, it just shows you that I'm working hard, man. I have to close out of Unity, dude. Something's messed up. I had a question. What's the most powerful JetBrain or VS Code and why? For C# you're talking about? You're talking about like JetBrain's writer? I think JetBrain's writer is better, as far as I know, for C#. But just slightly, like, doesn't really matter that much. VS Code is, I assume you're talking about for Unity, but like VS Code for Unity actually it got a lot better recently, so I feel like VS Code is a good choice, you know. But I don't use either of them, you know. I use Visual Studio, so to be honest with you, you can use Writer, you can use Visual Studio, you can use VS Code. It really doesn't matter that much. You know, ideally I would switch over probably to VS Code. I would probably prefer that one the most, but just because it's free, you know. And I like free open source things. But there's not a big enough motivation for me to switch away from Visual Studio yet. Personally, like I think Visual Studio works just fine. Alright, dude. Let's hope that if I open this up, things are fixed. You're a really hard worker. I appreciate it. That's why I always watch your stream. You're underrated, but you're a king Chad. I'm a king Chad, dude? What? Dude, game dev's hard, man. Game dev is not for the weak. You gotta do it day in, day out. Otherwise, you'll never make a game. How many language do I know? I mean, the ones that I'm pretty good at are Python and C#, I would say. And like, you know, I have like a little experience in some other random ones, but not really that much. Like I would just say Python and C# are my main programming languages. I used to do Objective-C, but Objective-C is kind of dead, right? It turned into C# essentially. So yeah, I would say 2, but then there's like 5 other ones that I can kind of do a little bit. Like But at the end of the day, if you're good at programming, you can kind of pick up any programming language pretty quickly. So it's like, you know, if someone was like, "Yo, can you like go start Unreal Engine and start doing C++?" Like yeah, I wouldn't know the syntax off the top of my head. I have to look everything up at first, but like the knowledge from C# would transfer over a ton to C++. How much time does it take to learn Python? I mean, I don't feel like Python is that hard of a programming language, but I don't know how to answer that question because the answer could be anywhere from 6 months to 5 years. Like I don't know. I was okay. I could do, you know, basic scripts and basic programming after 6 months in Python. That was the first language I learned. But it probably wasn't until year 2 or 3 where I felt like comfortable with enough aspects of Python that, you know, I can make some pretty complex pieces of software. But even now, like I'm not primarily a programmer, so there's still a lot for me to learn. Leon says, because I start a course in big school in France and I know VS Code for more than 5 years, but the teacher says that JetBrains is more powerful and you got it for free because of a reputation in the school. You know, I would say they're not wrong, but to be honest with you, I feel like that's a little bit frustrating. I would be frustrated if I was you because I don't feel like I don't feel like JetBrains has enough differences from VS Code to warrant like exactly what you're saying. You've been working in VS Code for 5 years. You know everything like the back of your hand, probably. Switching IDEs is a huge deal. It totally, you know, makes you uncomfortable for a long time. So I I kind of disagree with them forcing you to use it, but I also agree with them saying that it is slightly better. It is the it is like the best IDE I would say out there for C sharp. But VS Code is pretty damn good. If I was your teacher, I would not care. So, but it's nice to get it for free. You're not gonna disturb me, so I can work on Zen Fisher. On your shades? Yo, I need to put on the shades, man. Fuck. Yeah, I'm not getting a whole lot done. I'm kind of frustrated with Visual Studio right now or Unity. I don't know which one to blame. Can you make the screen bigger to see the code? I mean, I could. I can make it a little bigger, but yeah, I get frustrated coding on with big fonts, so I'm only gonna make it a little bigger. I'll do that like that. Hopefully that helps. So yeah, something's up, dude. It's so annoying. Anyways, at least I can go back into UI game scene, and then we'll do Um, yeah, I feel like we had to do something over here to avoid this issue that I'm seeing. Easter eggs game? Oh, you know I will, dude. You know I will. You gotta go? Wait, is this like a permanent I gotta go, or are you gonna be back soon? What game am I making? I'm making my game Zen Fisher. I'll show you in just 1 second here. We need to change this to root so it doesn't conflict. And then we should be good in terms of errors. Okay, so I can say menu player summary root. See, why doesn't it like this? Oh, wait, what? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Alright, 1 second, Bill, and I'll show you Zen Fisher. Gotta fix this bug. How's your night going, by the way, dude? What you up to? You doing game dev? I feel like I need to regen this. Like something happened here. You're sick for like 5 days. Damn, dude. Okay, that's better. Okay. Now we can say, yes, okay, this is working again. Thank God. I don't know what was happening, but it's so weird. Okay. Should be bug-free. Oh, you don't got extensions in PHP Storm and stuff? Yeah, I mean, it's probably all this built in, right? Like, that's one of the reasons it's better is because it's like all the features are built in and managed by professionals, but you do lose that like open source community aspect of it, which I think, you know, there's a lot to be said for that. It's one of the reasons Visual or VS Code is so good. Okay, let's make sure our menus. We're almost there. We're almost there. One more fix. I know what it is. It's right here. We need to shut this menu down. Menu player summary. Oh shit, wait. Leon, yo, thanks for the follow. Numbers, what is that? 657. I need to go, but I'll see you. Alright, dude. I hope to see you back soon, man. Peace. Alright, Bill, you still there? You ready for this? Wait, what? Menu inventory? Wait, how does that even work? I'm actually so confused. Menu collections is not a... Wait, what? I'm pretty confused right now. Oh, duh. I need you. All right, should be bug free. Here we go. How can I follow you, bro? What do you mean, like social media wise? Here we go. Okay, here's Zen Fisher. Oh yes, we have an error. Now what, dude? Now what? Oh, I think I know what it is. Yeah. We never actually initialized we never initialized that menu, so it's null. Alright. Moment of truth, man. Yeah! Okay, we can switch. We can switch our menus. We just don't have a character menu or a trophies menu yet. Alright, Bill, I don't know if you're still there, but this is N Fisher game I'm working on. It's like a fantasy fishing RPG game. So far, the features that we have are obviously this tutorial island here. This is really exciting because I can show off everything actually now for the first time in a while, but we can pick up items like tomatoes. They go into our inventory here. We can move them around in the inventory. We can split them in the inventory. We can combine them in inventory. We can swap. We can add to our hand slot or our armor slot if it's a body armor. We got these little tool tips. Ooh, this is nice, actually. A little fishing bonus, dude. That's pretty sick. Alright, what else do we got? We can go over to the collection log. So this is our collection log. We have different biomes that we can go through. Grassy biome, desert biome, and tutorial islands. It currently shows up if we have the fish collected here. It shows when we caught our fish, how many fish we have, our best weight, if it's been caught. Then we have our collection progress down here, so we've collected 6 out of 8 total fish so far. And then the last thing is the objectives menu. I think there's a little bug here right now, unfortunately, but yeah, this is like quests. So you can see like we have like a rewards and everything. It kind of displays like what do we need to do next. So I think if I start this though, there's going to be a bug. Yeah, we can't see the dialogue. Let me talk. I know why that's happening, but I should probably fix that. Why don't we should probably just fix that right now. But yeah, and then we can fish, of course. We can go see, what did we collect just now? Oh, there were 7 out of 8, dude. We need 1 more to fill out our collection log. Okay, I'll be right back, you guys. All right. We're back. We're back. Brutus, are you there? Until Brutus comes back, I'm gonna work on this little bug fix here. Oh, you know what I said that we need to start doing is right, I need to start posting on social media more, and I was gonna do clips every night. So I think it's time to do one clip. We could just show off like some feature that's done. You know, maybe ideally like some of the UI. You can do some of this UI right now. Oh, Brutus is here. Okay, maybe we wait on that. Okay, Brutus, I got some major problems with my collection log. It doesn't... So, okay, I don't think I've showed it to you fully yet unless you've been paying attention, but these are the main features. It was kind of nice to mock it up and get all the backend working, but I'm not super satisfied with how it looks. So how it currently works is there's going to be biome tabs up here that you can like click through, right? They're of course shitty little icons that are all the same, but there'll be different icons. And then the thought was like, yeah, you sort by biome up here, and then it like says the biome name. Then of course it says like how many you've collected in that biome. It has your overall progress, collection progress down at the bottom. And then how I started doing this is that if you click on one of these guys, it shows all the different rarities over here that you can catch for it. And then you can like choose each of these, and then I don't have this programmed in yet, but then it'll show this one depending on which one you click over here. So that's what I currently got. The tabs to select the biome should be outside of that. Okay. That is definitely one of the things that felt off to me, was like this selection process felt weird. So maybe that's what it is, yeah. Okay, I can do that. How would I do that? But here, the second thing that I like, this is the thing that I don't feel good about. I feel like the rarities thing is not satisfying somehow. So I have these little stars here to like denote if you've collected the certain rarity here, but it doesn't feel very satisfying to me. And I'm wondering like, how do I make this feel like more of a collection log? Like, and I don't know if what I'm missing is maybe these should all be rows instead of little icons like this. Like maybe that's part of the problem. Like each one of these should actually be a row, and I should just make this scrollable and just say fuck it. The reason I kind of went after the icons like this is because I could probably fit everything inside of like a single page. but I don't know if that's really a worthy sacrifice. The stars are too small to be useful. Right, exactly, yeah. I think that's part of the problem. It doesn't feel like the stars are satisfying. They don't feel like it's like a major part of collecting the fish. So my other issue is that like, right, so I don't know how to like portray this, but currently how I have it is like it shows up as like a blank icon or like a shadow if you haven't collected it. But then if you collected any one of these rarities, then I'm having it show up as like a real icon. And for some reason that makes it feel like the rarities aren't important to me, so I don't know how to like change it so that it feels like collecting each different fish rarity is of the same importance, if that makes sense. Alright, massive only grinder chat with a no E. What's up, J-Host? I mean, this over here feels fairly satisfying, but it feels kind of bad having this separated from this, to be honest. I don't know. You have a graphics course this semester? Oh, yo, if you have a graphics course, maybe you can help me out right now. Dude, yeah, I don't... How do I make this a good collection log, dude? Probably not what's up. I mean, basically, I'm just trying to make like a collection log. It's kind of like Pokemon style, like you're collecting all the different fish. Send me this in Discord? Okay, I'll send you the pic. Yeah, this, I don't know, man. It's kind of tough. Alright, I sent it. But yeah, basically we have a collection log JHost, and like I can click through these different fish over here. And, you know, it like shows them over on the right side. But the key thing that makes this game a little distinct from other collection logs is there's like a rarity for every single fish. There's different types of rarities. So like each one of these will be an individual collection log element, right? Now I was trying to display it over here in like a general, like here's all the fish, here's all your collection log progress. The main problem I'm having is that how I currently decide if I display an icon here for the fish or not, or if it's like a shadow like this, is if I've collected at least one of the fish rarities. But the problem with doing that is it makes it feel like the other rarities are insignificant, right? Like it doesn't feel like... It feels like just collecting one of the fish is all you really have to do, but in reality, what I want to come through is that you need to collect all of the rarities of fish. And I have these little stars here to like denote that, but it doesn't come through very well. So that's my dilemma. Why not use alpha? Sorry, for what parts? Also, it might help if we look at in PowerPoint, because I do have like... Like this is how I'm planning to do it. You can see how the stars are like, there's opacity. They're like semi-transparent if you haven't collected it, right? That was my idea. Back to video. Foxhole's getting a naval update. Oh god. Wait. Like opacity of thumbnail? Well, I'm not sure what you mean though. Like you're saying every time you collect a fish, it gets more and more opaque? Like progressively? It's not a bad thought, but I'm just like, I'm just worried that that won't come through very good. Like, look at this. Let's try it here. Let's say I've collected, right, like 4 out of 5 or whatever, so it's 80%. That's what it looks like now compared to the fully collected. Could do puzzle pieces. Yeah, that'd be pretty cool. This doesn't really come through very clear though for me, you know. Fuck, dude. What the fuck? Why did that just happen? Whatever. Oh. Oh, like a progress bar. Yeah, maybe the progress bar is the way. I'm thinking like slots, like rectangular slots are better. That is like they span the whole way, and then just make it scrollable. Because I feel like the little icons aren't doing it for me. It doesn't feel like a collections like entity. It feels like an achievement or something. It doesn't feel like a collection log. I feel like most collection logs are kind of like vertical, like laid out rows. And every row is just a single entry. And I think by like not doing that, I'm making it not feel like a collection log. If that makes sense. All right, so let's see a few things here. Let's try. Newer Zelda games with the photos. Oh, I don't know actually what you're talking about. Let's check that out. Is there like a Zelda photos? Is it photography locations? Is that what it is? I haven't really played these games yet. I want to one day. You found all the location of all 12 pictures. Okay, yeah, that's... Maybe this works better though because it's like an album. Yeah, it's like, it feels like pictures. When you will publish that game? I mean, we'll see. Publishing a game is a lot of work, you know, to get it to that final state. But in terms of like when it will be play testable and alpha will be out, like I don't really know. Maybe like, I'm hoping like a couple months, month or so, to get like some type of play testable game out there. Start trying some things out, you know. It's on Steam, by the way, Bill. Do you want the Steam link? All right, there's a Steam link. If you want to check it out. Also, if you just wishlist that, it's totally free to do that, right? That will actually help me out a lot. Because the more wishlists that I get, the better it will do on release. I make games in Unity too. Oh hell yeah, dude! What are you making right now? I don't think it needs to be this wide though. Like, but then I want it to have an icon that's, so it can't be that small. Trying to think of some games or reference. Me too. I mean, what are like some collection log games? It's a little the part that I'm having difficulty with is the rarities, displaying the different rarities there, because like one option, of course, would just to be to like list every single rarity as a different row, as like a completely separate entity, but that doesn't feel good. Like that just feels so redundant, right? So I don't want to do that. But I also want to make it feel meaningful that you're collecting every single different rarity. It's really hard. It's really weird. It's a weird problem. Like one thing I could do is I can move all this, like all of these over to the left, and every fish just has one row. Like I could do that. And I could just get rid of this over here, if that makes sense. Right, like just something like this, and then it would look like this. You wishlisted it? Hell yeah, dude. Thank you, brother. So what kind of game you making? Also, everyone who wishlists it has a chance to get free keys, so I'm also telling people to wishlist it for that reason. If you're one of the early wishlisters, then there's a good chance you'll get a free key when it comes out. Yeah, what do we do? So, right, we could do this. Not terrible. But, man, I kind of like this, dude. I don't know, man. It feels really redundant, and I kind of got to get rid of this side, but I don't know, like, how I would fill this space over here, to be honest, but I can think of something. Oh, republish it? Wait, what do you mean by that? See if we can find some collection logs online. What are games with collection logs? Like, I know Animal Crossing has one. Animal Crossing Fish Collection UI? Like, no, this is more of like a... Okay, this is how they did it. You made a Backrooms game? What is that? You know what? Another thing, another possible way of going at this is like not having the dark background. Like I was gonna put that there if you hadn't caught the fish yet, but like how does that make any sense if there's more than one type of rarity of fish? So like I could just always display the icon. Like I don't have to do it like, oh, it's hidden because you haven't caught it yet. So I could just always display the icon and then show some other way of tracking, like if you've caught it, if you caught the different rarities. Another thing that makes it complicated though is like you can't just do like the highest. Like you would think like, oh, why don't you make like a ring around the border or something like of the color that you've caught of the highest, but like it's possible to catch one that is a higher value than the one before it. Like I'm trying to make them all individual entries. Not like if you catch the highest, it fills all the ones before it. Is Photos hop free? Wait, sorry, what? I'm back. I'm still in the game. Alright, for sure. Wait, I was looking at the... Oh, yeah, this has like an on hover or like a selected. Whichever one's selected, it's showing the name of it. Oh, is Photoshop free? No, it's not. But if you want to use this, it's called Photopea. This is free. Photopea. It's like almost identical to Photoshop and it's online. So you could use that if you don't want to pay for Photoshop. Somebody got mad at you for farming trees all day? Dude. How are they gonna get mad? What game are you playing? Oh, you're playing Rust. Okay. Dude, what other games have like a museum? Collection? Museum or a collection or something like that? Oh, it's all good, Skyzak. You good. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know how to design this. I'm so confused. What? 6:0, 1 equals question mark? Uh, No, I do not know the answer. I don't know what you're saying. This was my other idea, is maybe like a like little circles. Thinking something like this, maybe. Like a robot fishing out of the game. Could do it. Hey, I was thinking of having like a space biome, imagine. That'd be crazy, right? Honestly, a space giant biome would be pretty cool. It would add to the game a lot. It's kind of weird. I don't know. Does this work, dude? Like if you did this for every color. Kind of looks odd, dude. All those different colors look fucking weird. I'm just sending shit to Brutus so he can use some. Actually, this is pretty decent. What do you guys think about this? I hate this game. I'm not playing. Wait, what happened, dude? Did you die? Fuck, dude. There we go. Okay. Well, hold on. I feel like this should be, if it's gonna be like that, it should be smaller. Wait, what the why is there one there? What the fuck is going on? You had lots of stone on you and then the kid just comes out of nowhere and just shoots me? Nah. And of course it lags. GG's, Skyzak. Alright. How do we feel about this? So each one of these like lights represents one of these caught over here. So then if you click, if you have one of these selected, then it shows these. And then this kind of gives you the more visual indicator of... And this way you could, you could do it so that this is like hidden if you have none of them, because then it doesn't make sense. But then if you catch at least one, you're like, oh, I know what the type is, but I haven't collected these. Kind of makes sense. I don't know. Maybe the dots be the same color as the rarities. That's what I was trying to do, and it looks weird. Right? Like, I want to do that. It looked like that. I mean, I can make the glow also the same color, but it doesn't really make it look better. Doesn't that just look weird to you? Maybe it's fine. I don't know. Yeah, it just looks a little strange, huh? What about that? How it is now? This is my favorite, I think. Yeah. You like this one too? It's either this one or... Let's compare a couple real quick. It's either this one or the other one. This one feels weird to me because you like this one better. I think the reasons I like this one better are one, there's more space to say, like, you can give the actual name of the fish. Right? And two, I think this indicator here is much more clear what it means. And also, it's just visually more appealing. Whereas you look at this and it's confusing, right? It's just immediately it's confusing. Now you need names. Oh, are you saying like names like common, uncommon, rare, special? I was thinking about that. Yeah, like is there a way? Yeah, okay. So oh, you're just saying different names. Okay. Yeah. Well, this is just a mock-up. I got like 8 different names in the project right now, but we'll get more. Yeah, this is the best so far, 100%. No? Okay, what are you saying? Oh, it's harder to add fish because you need to name the fish? Well, that's fine. Because I gotta name them anyways, right? So it does make it a little bit harder to make the UI element, like I have to add one of these for each one, but that's not that big a deal. I can do that. Yeah, it's slightly harder, but it's fine. I'm willing to do that. So yeah, I think this is the best. And then we'll just have to make this scrollable, right? Because there could be... this only holds about 6. It could be more than that, for sure. Is it possible to make this like the glow? What if the glow is a different color? But the main light is the same. It's probably gonna look weird. I'm just trying to figure out a way to make it more obvious what these mean. I think people will figure it out pretty quickly, like, oh, like obviously same amount, like it's the fish rarity that I've caught, but like if I could somehow color code this to match up, it would be ideal. You wish you knew how to use Unity? Bro, I can always help you out if you want to know, but what, you mean like C# and coding? Do you think you're better at Unity or at Unreal Engine? That's annoying. What about that faint glow like that? What if the fish... Oh! With the highest one? Skyzag, dude, that might be a good idea. You're saying this over here is like this. Or actually... I could just make a direct glow, right? Yeah, like a... Skyzag, that might be the idea of the night, my man. Let's go. Oh, that definitely, we want this. Yeah, we definitely want to do that. So... Well, let's do a different color, because that's a bad contrast on this particular example, but, let's say it's like this one, right? It's like a good template. Ooh, look at that. Woo! It makes it look so much better, right? Like compared to this one. You're like, yo, this one's way enhanced. Oh yeah, I'll definitely do that, Skyzak. Thank you, man. That's a great suggestion. I'm wondering about this. This almost looks good. These glows, these like faint outer glows. Like that. The bubbles filled in aren't necessary though. Wait, sorry, what do you mean? What if the box glow as well? Which box? This box over here? Skyzak? Yeah, actually that could look good. Oh, you're saying this one. Yes, okay. Let's see how that looks too. Yeah, actually, that's pretty smart too. We'll just do like the highest one. It's a little... No, that's fine. Just like, oh, let's do your best one. One sec, Brutus. I'll get to what you're saying. Oh, wait, what? Photoshop's being weird. Oh, sorry. Okay, no, that's a gradient overlay. One sec. Outer glow. Jesus Christ, bro. Why is it so big? I don't know, maybe? I'm the idea man. You are the idea man tonight. Outer glow is going to look ridiculous. You're right, actually. Yeah, I don't quite think that's gonna work. Because imagine it for all of them. It would look weird. I think just the fish glowing is good enough. That's good. Nah, yeah. I think this is fine. Alright, what's Brutus saying? The box glow and the mouse is over it? Oh yeah, definitely. It'll have a selection color, yeah. Or maybe, yeah, it could glow. Only the one that's selected glows the right color. I could get behind that. Possibly, yeah. Okay, where rarities are right now, when a fish is selected, make the rarities display a number in the bottom right corner. Wait, where rarities are right now, like over here? These ones? A number for the amount caught of that rarity. Like down, you're saying on this side or on the right side? No, game's not ready for you. Sorry, Smirky. Go to bed. I'm sorry, Brutus. I'm so confused. Where are you saying here? Discord? Okay. There. Okay. But where over there? The bottom right corner, you said? Oh, sorry. Okay, I get what you're saying. God, that took me so long. Okay, I feel like that's my fault. Maybe it's getting late. You're saying like this? But you said black text? I'm confused. Oh, you're saying like... Make it a cutout of that logo. I see what you're saying. Okay. Yeah, you're saying like this, right? This stupid fucking overlay. Hold on. Like that. Probably this corner should not. Those two corners should not have a curvature. Now the bubbles. These bubbles? But then you just want it to be like... Isn't that just gonna look weird though? Like there's like so much empty space. This is like an extra indicator, you know? It isn't useful in its current form? Well, I feel like the usefulness of it is that it like makes it clear, like when you look at the collection log, like how, like what rarity you've collected. Because like the only way to see these numbers is by actually physically clicking on it, right? So like if I get rid of these indicators, you lose that information. Then you need to display the rarity on the left too. I know, that's what I want to do. Yeah, so I guess my main point, Brutus, is that like the information you lose is that you don't at a glance get to see all of the rarities for all the fish that you've collected. This only supplies you with detailed information about each one that's selected, right? How can I display the rarity on the left? Yeah. What's the max number of fish in each biome? I don't know, but more than would take up a single page here. So I would say not more than like 20 or 30, but it could be as much as 20 or 30. What if the dots glow with the color? That's what I'm trying to get right here, right? Like you can kind of see it, right? It unfortunately doesn't look great, yeah. I don't think I like this more than this. There could be an outline, but I also think that would look bad, like Yeah, I don't think this is looking good. Yeah, that looks like fucking ass, dude. Oh no. Oh, I've just been playing this game this whole time in the background? Alright, that's all of them. That's what it would look like. Looks pretty stupid. What if you did it with no glow? No glow on all? Looks pretty stupid. Alright, did Brutus send me something? I just want to give my 2 cents. You don't need any more. Oh. My only good idea is glowing fish. Hey, well, that's a really good idea though. I really think that adds a lot, Sky's EXO. That's what UI is all about, dude. You have like 10 ideas and then one sticks. I like this idea. This is cool. Maybe this text is still too big though. Like, what do we have? Oh, but what happens if we have like a 200, dude? Guess I could expand with it, but... Okay, let's see. You on Blender? This looks so bad. Dude. Oh, God. Emmy, what's up? My guy, dude, it's late. What you doing up? Oh boy. Okay, well, I think we're closer. We're getting closer, right? I'm probably gonna put this on hold a little bit and think about it. And I'm gonna push on some other parts of the game the next couple days, but yeah. Hopefully I have some more ideas at some point. I need to redo a lot of this UI, to be honest. Send me that one panel again. All right, yeah, this one. You want it in its current state here. All right. Yeah, the last thing missing is maybe a more powerful indicator of what these mean. I think it's good right now, but it could be better. So that's where I'm at. It's definitely much. I mean, I think we all agree, right? Like this is much better than this. My man's been here 5 years, and this man has been here 5 years. That's a real 5 years right there. Skydev, do you dare do follow age? You got a meme? Alright, let's check out Skydev's meme. Why not? Add a glowing fish, spader to bomb. Okay, buddy. I was like that, actually, though. Because sometimes you just know, dude. You know instantly, like, that's a good idea. Just hit me. Yeah. Tough one. We'll have to think about it. Alright, yeah. That was productive. I mean, one more time, we can look at before and after. This is before. Yeah, I was very unhappy with this because like it doesn't feel like a collection log, right? It just like icons. Like sure, some of them would be disappeared and then it appears when you collect it, but then it's like, what is the meaning of that? Because you have to get different rarities. Now this scheme solves that problem because now these are just always, I mean, if you don't collect any of these yet, then this will be like probably dark and then it'll be like a question mark, like what it is. But then as soon as you catch one, it makes sense now because it's like, oh, now you know what that fish is. So you give it the name and the icon. So now you know what it looks like, and then you have the different rarities. And so that just makes way more sense. Empty highway, Adele playing on my headphones. No better time than to gas it on the bike. What is this guy saying, dude? This guy's on some deep shit right now. Okay, Brutus, I saw your Discord. Yeah. That actually, now, yeah, this is displayed down here, so yeah, maybe that is redundant, yeah. I like this overall. I think it's a good step. It's close. Are you actually on the road right now, Emmy? Chilling, vibing? Alright, man. Yes, I think I might have to call stream early, dude. I don't feel like I have any more juice in the tank tonight. I was actually coding off stream for like 4 or 5 hours before I got on, so I'm pretty tired. Look at meme. All right, let's check out the meme. True. The only way I would keep streaming right now is if J-Dog suddenly appeared in the chat. Okay, that's my last input for the night. All right. No, that's fair. Oh wait, did you send me another thing? Oh, you sent me one more thing. Okay. Oh yeah. Wait, I do need to. I need to move this out. I 100% agree with you on that one. I just don't know where to do it or how. Let's see. Replace the current icons beside the biome up top on the left with the rarities. Oh yes. So I should have like icons for rarities, you think? That like line up with these? I can remove the chest icon. Yeah, in this case. It doesn't need to be there. Yeah, it's easy to get back, so let's start looking at this real quick. Maybe we got a tiny bit of juice left in the tank. Brutus doesn't like the chest icons or any of the icons anywhere. Okay. I thought I gave the header a little bit of a distinctive look, but maybe not. Like in the what about on the quest side? The quest icon? Or in the missions here? Like I started putting these here because it was like, oh, forest biome, it's like a location. So I put a little map location icon. Like progress. Kinda goes with it, you know? Rewards. I thought it fit this menu. What do you think about this menu? Chess makes sense for rewards. Well, yeah, I mean, yeah, maybe I don't need icons for these words. Yeah, we'll see. These were all just placeholders. Oh no, yeah, these were placeholder icons. Meme, please. Okay. My man's on a meme spree, dude. Must be fed. Okay. Yeah, how do we? I don't know how to do this though, man. That was pretty good. Brutus like that one. No way. uh. Okay. You're saying? God. Hard. You think the icon should go up here or down in here? Like, should I have like a header for these? and then move this away. You know, I could do like this. Biome selection goes above, I know, but I where? The fish list items. Too much padding. Fish list items. Wait, are you saying this? You're saying it should be like overlapping like this? This is my UI style. Oh, that is margin. You're right. Okay. Didn't know we were using very technical terms here. The fish list items have too much padding. Thing like this. Fortunately, these are you like this better? The row can be smaller to fit more rows. You're saying make this icon smaller then? How thick is this guy, dude? Maybe it's less thick. If not to fit, yeah, true. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't need to be big icons. That's fine. I mean, think about it like this is... It doesn't need to be big icons. This is like how big this screen would look. If not actually even bigger, but that's playing big. These need to be smaller now. The return of Brutus. We thought he was done, but he came back for more. Okay. What do you think about this header here? Like, is this necessary? I feel like no, right? That's kind of bullshit. Okay. No header needed. Shit. Okay. How do we do this part here? We're closing in. I can feel it, dude. Are you saying, should I have this down here? And then have these only be icons up here? Or are you saying that these should be completely separated from the menu? From the sub menu? Like this? Duplicate to 5. Shift rows down. Fuck me, dude. Okay. I think I'm getting a little bit. Oh, I hate Photoshop, dude. Oh my god, I hate Photoshop. What the fuck? What is this line? Where does this come from? Oh. What's this guy like saying? No. You need room for pagination at the bottom? Right. Yeah, we'll have room for that. We're getting there. Hold on. This is not what you meant? What do you mean? The rows need margin? Okay. Ooh, that does look nice. Alright, Brutus. Fine, Brutus, fine. This looks a little off down here, but whatever. I'm not worrying about it right now. So... we're almost there, right? Something... We're close. Oh no. Fuck, dude, every time. Oh, should I not add that last one? Hold on. Alright, let's just get everything in and we'll deal with another row if we need it. Rarities. What do you mean by add rarities? Also, I'm wondering, because I want to somehow display the number of fish collected in the current biome, right? What did I do in Unity? It was like my old shit. Obtained, yeah, something like that. I don't know. I feel like that needs to go somewhere though. This doesn't look good off to the left though. The icons like on the right. Oh. Like but like small, you mean? Like this? That might work. I don't know. Is all the stuff you said in your video true? It is, yeah. Yeah, I mean, Unity's like initial policy when they first came out with it was fucking terrible. It was so bad, but they like backtracked on a lot of stuff, so it's definitely better, way better now. I'm not sure. Yeah, there needs to be a way to connect. I agree. This is the part I've been struggling the most with. The company's reputation will never recover, dude. It really won't. Yeah, it's they did so much. What is their stock price? I wonder, dude. They did so much damage. This is when they announced their change, by the way. Hey, they're down 20%. They announced that. Look at 5-year, dude. Yeah, I've looked at this before. That's actually crazy. How that must be so demotivating to be working there, because like you probably get stock options, right? Imagine working there for the last 5 years. They're valued up at this like giant number. You probably get a lot of compensation and stock options, and like it just isn't worth fucking shit anymore. Okay, you're saying the entire icon grayed out icons as well. Grayed out. Oh. Like entire, like this. Oh, shit. Okay, let me go back. Wait. Sorry, wait. Are you saying replace this or just put it as like a header up here? You're saying replace these little light things? This whole time I thought you meant like a header. Try that too. You did mean a header? Okay. Well, let's try that first, and then we'll try that. Why is this so light? I just don't know why that was like that. They're all like that? Yeah, whatever. Just makes it look weird. The only problem with the header, yeah, this is what made me realize, like, I don't know how to put this icon. Like, should that be a grayed out, or should that be fish? It only makes sense to have it grayed out, I think. But then even that itself doesn't really make that much sense, so. I mean, we can kind of just see, like, what would it look like quick. Fucking good every single one. Oh no. Photoshop exploded. It isn't grayed out, it's a header? Well, what does the fish icon look like then? I'm confused. What fish is it? Just a generic fish symbol? Like, I guess it could be a generic fish. Oh, that one? Yes, grayed out. Okay. Yeah, the other ones would just be whatever their values are, right? Yeah. Come on, Photoshop. Stop killing me. Ew, dude, look at this collection log. This thing looks gross. I do like this side, though. This side looks pretty good. I still need to fix these colors. That's very high on my to-do list, actually. I really want to fix these colors. The fucking linear space versus, like, gamma space or whatever is so annoying, man. I'm basically just gonna... I know how to fix it. I'm just gonna not use opacity and, like, in Photoshop, I'm just gonna get the colors from the overlaid colors, because I'm not really using transparency. I was just doing that to make a nice color scheme, but I can just actually steal a color. Did I order PC parts? No. No, okay, I'm doing it when I move on the 6th. I'm moving on the 16th. I might actually, okay, I'll order them a little before the 16th, so I get them. You rusty, okay, we've been over this. I was gonna get it, but then remember, I found out that if I pointed my room fan at my computer, it was fine. What import is Unity? I don't know what that means. Alright, so this is what it would look like. It almost works. Oh. There's something about it that doesn't quite work, but I feel like it's like it could. I mean, is it possibly just that these are not spaced very well? Oh yeah, FBX, yeah. I always do FBX. We just need a little more space up here, maybe? Oh god. Where'd this guy come from? Told you to ship them down, you did. But here we are. I don't know, man. I feel like there needs to be... What if it's like this? I don't know where this goes, but... Like, what if these are part of the header? Up here, you know? No, never mind. I think it's this top area. This top area sucks. Like, maybe these shouldn't be inside of this menu. They should be like tabs, like up here. Biome selection should be out. Yeah, okay. Yes, I agree. Well, I know you've said it like 3 times, but like, I didn't know how to do it. Yeah, rarity logos could be larger, yeah. I don't know how to make these look good. Should be like little tabs on the left, like left or right. Now I'm bothered by this offset, but what are you gonna do? Centered for sure. Okay, they need some like background or tab nature to them, I feel like. Or maybe like a stripe across. Like what if it was just like like this. Or what if I got rid of collection log up here? I don't know. I don't wanted that up there. A name is gonna be required on the left over here. Like show me all the panels. Inventory. So I did this like line underneath. Maybe that's what I do. Or this. Ooh, maybe it's this. I don't know. The thing is I got rid of the top area on this one. That's all of them. Panel needs context. Also does feel like this should be like centered. I don't know. None of this is finalized. So, right, this would be like quests, missions, like quests, dailies, objectives, or like tasks. Quests, dailies, tasks completed or something. Collection log is the only panel with the name of the panel as a header. Right. Yeah, so it is redundant kind of. Just add log into the tab name. Up here. It makes it long, but you think like do I make it 2 lines? And then make it like smaller? kind of poorly spaced. You think that's the way? Like this? Otherwise, it would have to be... See, that looks pretty weird. Use a different name. I could do collections. Or what's a different name for like museum? Not really. Collections. Yeah, we could do collections. I like collections. Trophies? That's like achievements. Collections is supposed to be for fish only, like collecting different fish. If that makes sense. It's like a Pokédex. But then trophies is like achievements. Basket? Like call collections basket? I don't know about that. Aquarium I like more than basket. Aquarium? ChatGPT. Yeah. We'll figure that out. Whatever. Horde. School of fish. Collection. Museum is maybe the only. Aquarium and museum both work pretty well. Anthology is nice, but it's one of those too complicated words. I don't know. I just want like a generic word that people will like instantly recognize. Whatever. I'm gonna do collections for now. Okay. Delete. Fish index. Ooh, actually, okay, that's pretty good. Catch log. Oh, catch log. All right, we'll put that for now. That's pretty good. Fish index. I kind of like fish index. Low key. Fishing log. Yeah, fish log. Actually, I might write these down. Fish index. I like fish index. Played Valorant earlier, didn't like it, dude. Have you ever played like a mouse shooter before? You played CSGO? Ooh, if you haven't played CSGO, that's pretty rough. Or have you played any mouse, like, first-person shooter? Or third-person shooter? Okay, what did my inventory look like, by the way? I forgot. This one has a header. Not having sprint is a deal breaker. It's like there's a slow walk and a normal walk. Whatever. I mean, this is self-explanatory, dude. This tab is like, oh, we're in the catalog. Like, I don't know why I'm worrying about it so much. Once Foxhole update drops, you mean? GG's. Oh, this is way better. Yeah. I don't think I need any explanation up here of like in like a label, right? It's like it should be hopefully clear enough that these are like icons that are clickable. At least I just need to make it clear enough. Okay, now these line up, which makes me happy. Okay. We have way more space. I don't know. This looks weird to me. What happened over here? FYI? FYI what? it doesn't work. Ah, fuck, man. Maybe if it was like a little like it's like this but like colored, I don't know. Or like each one had a glow. Aw, dude, that's gonna look stupid. I don't know. I can't think of a better thing to do. I'm stuck. But I'm also not totally against just this. I'm gonna keep thinking about ways to connect those. Damn, yeah, there needs to be a way to connect it though. Needs keys? What do you mean by keys? Oh. Like keys. I was thinking like a lock and door key. I don't know why. Actually, why did I do that, dude? Got this right here. These can probably be smaller. We're close. I will say this top area is looking way better though. This is definitely the play. Think of where we came from. This was before. Hello. Why? I think I need like specific colors for the text if I wanted to do something like this. 'Cause that does not come through. Let's make it a little lighter to. Alright, Brutus, we done some good work, dude. Appreciate it. I'm gonna get off. Keep this brewing a little bit. Really close, but I don't think I'm gonna get there tonight. I'll see you, man. Peace.